In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI's text-to-image generator. This tool is an exciting way to bring your creative ideas to life with just a few simple steps, allowing you to transform text prompts into unique visuals. First, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't already, open your browser, navigate to Canva, and log into your account. Once you're in, it's time to start a new project. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button. This setup will be the canvas for your newly generated images, so feel free to choose dimensions that suit your project needs. With your new design space ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. This is a powerful tool set that Canva provides, and one of the hidden gems within this is the Apps section. Click on it and you'll find a wealth of tools designed to extend your creative capabilities. What we're looking for is Magic Media. After a quick search within the Apps section, Magic Media should pop up. Once you spot it, go ahead and select Text to Image. This feature is exactly what we need for generating images from text descriptions. Now that you're in the text-to-image area, you'll see a text box where the magic happens. Think about what kind of image you would like to create. This could be anything from a serene beach scene to an abstract pattern. The key here is to be as descriptive as possible with your text input. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can interpret and produce your vision. After crafting your text input, there's one more thing before hitting generate: style and aspect ratio. Canva provides different styles to match different creative themes, such as realism or cartoonish variations. Choose what fits best for your project. Similarly, select an aspect ratio that matches your end use, whether it's a square for social media or a wide format for banners. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit Generate Image. The AI will process your description and style choices to generate a brand new image right onto your canvas. This may take a moment, so be patient. When the image appears, you can begin customizing it further if needed. Canva offers editing tools for tweaking colors, adding text overlays, or incorporating other design elements. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Click on the Share button at the top, where you'll find options to download your image in various formats such as PNG, JPG, or even an MP4 if your design is animated. Choose the format that suits your needs and download it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully used Canva AI's text-to-image generator to create a unique visual from your imagination.